Install the stand. To install the machine stand, first place the machine stand upside down. Hold the side stand firmly and secure the front and rear braces using the long hexagon screws with a 4mm Allen key. Be careful when putting the screw through here. It might be hard to get through the hole. Try looking from the other side. It'll make it way easier to get through. Please mention that do not tighten it first. Then install the base. Let the groove side facing down and then use the long hexagon screws to fix it slightly. Now you can tighten all the screws. Note the distinction between these two bolts. The one with a washer on the left is for securing the casters, and the shorter one on the right is for securing the plastic feet on the machine stand. Place the stand on upside down. Install the spring washer and flat washer on bolts before tightening it. And use 5mm Allen key to fix all the casters with 4mm bolts. Lift the stand, put 4 plastic feet on 4 corners. Please ensure the holes are properly aligned. And use 4mm Allen keys to fix them with small screws. Move the machine on the stand and align it with these 4 grooves. Finally, fix the machine with 2 locking bolts. Pass the long bolt through this hole, screw the nut on slightly. Then tighten the bolt upward with 6mm Allen key, and finally tighten the nut upward with spanner. Congratulations on successfully installing the machine stand and securing the machine. Now go ahead and keep learning with the next videos.